everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marjorie Rosiclair. I'm a personal development coach, and today I'm going to talk about building your self-esteem, raising your self-esteem. You know, self-esteem is really important. But before, I just want to tell you this channel, it's about development personnel, yes, and this is a channel about development personnel and a spiritual channel, of course. Today I'm coming to you, as I told you, to talk about raising your self-esteem up. I wrote a book. I wrote this guy. It's in French. It's called La Confiance en Soi. This is a book that I wrote about self-esteem. I don't have it yet in English, but if you want it, just leave me a comment under the video. So I am just gonna translate it in English, but I don't have it, like as I told you, in English yet because it's in French right now. You know, as the new year's coming up, you need to work on yourself. You need to work on your goals. It's really important. Goals, it's when you have goal, it's easy for you to see yourself, to attract things because you have your goal. And when you finally have your goal, you have a self of accomplishment. You know, you have a self of a confidence. So that's why I wrote this book about the self-confidence, self-esteem, because you need, if you have a low self-esteem, you know you don't attract the thing you want in your life. You know what I mean. Those of you who are watching this, who need to work on yourself, who need to work on your self-esteem, who need to build your self-confidence, it's the time now, as we are now on the end of the year, and the goal, you have to set the goal right now to obtain whatever you want to obtain. You know, self-esteem is something, it's really important. If you don't have self-esteem, you know it's affecting your life, because self-esteem, it's about the way you see yourself. It's your word. It's how you word yourself. If you don't have self-worth, you know you cannot do anything. There's some kind of goal. There's something in your life who's missing. You cannot obtain your goal. You need to build your self-esteem. You need to build your self-confidence in order to attract the things you want to attract, you know. That's why I wrote this guy here. And as I told you, I don't have it in English, but if you want it in English, just leave me a comment under the video, as I told you. But the way to attract things is to build your self-esteem. If you don't have self-esteem, you have the tendency to take everything personal because you don't know your self-worth. You always think people is getting down to you. It's about, that's why you don't have your self-worth. It's about to work on your self-worth, work on your self-esteem. You know, you need also to work on yourself, the self, you know. You need also to work on your, you know, some kind. If you don't have self-esteem, you will have a tendency to not be alone. You need to master your loneliness. You know, you need to master yourself. You need to master when you are alone. You need to be happy alone, you know. You need to know your self-worth. As I told you, there's a lot of things happen right now about women who don't have the self-esteem, and they're coming to me to say, you know, Marjorie, I need to build myself. I need to work on myself. It's the time now to do that. In order to attract the things you want to in your life, you need to work on your self-esteem. You need to work on your self-worth, because if you don't know your self-worth, you're gonna obtain things you don't want. You know, you don't know, you cannot obtain a good relationship, a good workplace, a good you cannot obtain the family that you want to have. So you need now to work on that. And if you need help, I'm here for you. You can write me, you can leave a comment down there so I can send you this guide. I know it's not in English right now, but I will make it in English if you want it, if you leave me a comment under the video, and I will make it in English. It's really important because, you know, as women, you know, it's really hard for us in this world. So it's really good, it's really important, as I said, to work on that, to work on your femininity, to work on your self-esteem, to work on your self-worth. Your self-worth, it's really, really, really important. You know, when I was young, I didn't have a self-esteem. I didn't know my self-worth. I do my things. I do my work. I work on myself. I work on my self-worth. I work on my self-confidence. You know, I've been doing coaching now for many, many years, you know, in the French area, because I'm French and I'm Asian. I speak Creole. So I've been doing with women. It's not a long time. It's not long time ago that I decided to do English video for you guys to helping you also. I think my English is not that bad, so you can leave me a comment. It's bad, it's okay, I will work on it. It doesn't matter for me, I will work on it. So as I said, I've been doing coaching for many, many, many years now. So I know as a woman, you need always to work on ourselves. If we want to obtain our goal, we need to work on ourselves. So today, if you want this guide, as I said, leave me a comment under the video, and you can have it. You can go also to my website and write me down, and you can also leave a comment under the video, and I will do my best to send it to you, of course. So it's really important now to work on ourselves, to work on our self-confidence and self-esteem, self-work, to obtain, as I said, our goal for 2021. It's not really not our goal of 2021, but it's also all the area on our life, all the area you want to work on yourself. So if you like this video, I would like you to give a thumbs up, and also if you don't subscribe, I need you to subscribe, to follow me, tell your friend. There's a personal coach there who's doing great things. Talk about me, share the video, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow, and I will love to hear from you. I will love you to leave comments under the video, and I will love to answer you, write to you, and we're gonna build a community together, so we can grow together. You can do the work together. I hope to see you pretty soon, and come back to my channel. There's I put a video every week now, so you can see, you don't want to miss any of my videos. So I will see you pretty soon.